Hi there. In this video, I will teach you how to create a book cover mockup using mycovermaker.com. From homepage, just scroll down and you'll see the mockups we can use for our book cover. Let's use this one. So let's start with our book cover's background. Just click on this tab here that says background. Let's try this one. To adjust which part of the image will appear, just click and drag it until you're satisfied. Next thing we'll do is to add an image that will represent the topic of our book. Let's say it's about music. This search bar right here really comes in handy. Let's try this one. Now we're going to remove the background of this image, and now we'll show you how to do it on this software in just one click. Just click this tab right here that says remove background, and there it is. Let's do a little resizing. You can resize the image by either dragging the corners or the edges. You can also use these tools right here to play with the image. For this one, let's use contrast to make it stand out a little. Now we're going to add text. This will serve as the title of our book. Just click on this tab that says Add Text. You'll have three options here: the heading, subheading, and content text. For this one, let's use heading. Let's change the text. You can also use these tools to change the alignment of the text. To change the font of the text, just click right here and choose your font style. For the color, just click right here. You can now reposition your text by dragging it to wherever you want. Let's now add shadows behind the text by using this option right here. You can use these presets to put awesome shadow effects on your texts in just one click. Now I'm going to show you how this button right here works. This is a one-click 3D text effect that you can use to make your text stand out more. It has lots of styles to choose from, and you're just one click away from the one you like to use. There it is, that easy. For the last part of our tutorial, we're going to copy the text we have and put it on the spine area of our book. To copy, just click on the text and click this tab right here that says Copy. Once it's done, just click on this icon right here. Wait for a moment. Render mockup. Download. And there you go. I hope you all learned from this tutorial. See you on the next one.